show. You're locked into the festival Finesser. Peace the fuck out.
Can I get a year?
I'm the festival Finesser.
Yo, what's good, everybody? This is not part of the actual vlog you guys are about to watch. I wanted to give a quick disclaimer before we get into it to let you guys know that there are some audio issues in the parts where I'm at the show. Please don't comment and tell me that. I'm aware. Just know it's getting fixed for future vlogs going forward, and it shouldn't affect anything in the future. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the Oolacile vlog.
Hello world. It is 2:30 on Saturday. We are in College Park, Maryland, not New Jersey for once. Myself, Bree. Last night we were at Echostage for Hero Bus Subtronics Blunts and Blondes. Tonight we are driving back to Brooklyn for Oolacile and the Vision's 2nd year anniversary. So we will see you guys back in Brooklyn for the pregame at the Airbnb. It's about to be a lit ass weekend. Vlogs coming soon. 8:45 guys, we are back in New Jersey at La Casa de Brie. And we are about to get ready for the pregame and then hit Brooklyn Airbnb with the homies. And then we're seeing Oolacile at the Knitting Factory. See you guys in Brooklyn. 11:30. We are out here pulling up to the Airbnb. Hella late, but it's all good. We got a little lost, but we're here. About to get a little more lit than I already am. Yeah. We out here. What's cracking?
You said 3R.
3R?
Yeah.
Bet.
This shit's fucking ghetto as shit. What's good, bro?
What up, yo? My boy, what is good?
What's up, man?
What up, Brian?
A little saucy, yeah.
Word up.
This place is all the way into a little room.
Coldness. And Bree's car. We parked right here on the block. Oh yeah, we're not right here at all. Trying to get to the Knitting Factory. We have no idea where we parked. I'm pretty sure we're far as fuck. But we're gonna find out right now at this corner. Alright, I think we're close.
It is.
Okay.
Fuck you. It's where?
Right there!
Left.
It's cold, bro. No? Brian, MIASTK? No. Interesting. up. You want it? Right now? Hey, tell them what you're going to get right now. Tell them what you're going to get right now. Can I get a yeah? Festival Finesser hoodies now available, $40. Come and get them. 3 o'clock in the morning. We are headed back to New Jersey for good. The weekend is over. The boys got work tomorrow, 6 o'clock. And I had a wild ass weekend. I got a bunch of editing ahead of me and hella content coming soon. Till the next one on the Festival Finesser. Can I get a year? I'll see you for the next one. Peace.